In this video, we are looking at the Craft Year's Aurum. It was the last year's flagship, priced at 1295 euros, which should be around, I think, $1400. This one is uh, well equipped with seven drivers, one DD, four BA, and two EST drivers. As you guys can see, the the Indian custom has taken everything apart. The packaging and stuff are not handled properly by them, so that is a small issue. In any case, the box, if I show you, the box is in decent condition, and we got a decent carry case. I like this kind of carry cases, the hard carry cases. What else? Nothing inside the box. If we look into the hard carry case, there is decent amount of space. I like this kind of cases, so there is some room for the accessories too, and that is a good thing. No, nothing. Let me recheck. There is nothing else inside the box. If we look into the package, there are some leaflets there, and these look like some kind of stickers. If you are uh, into stickers, these are good looking stickers, no issues with that. So yeah, that is that. This is all what we get when we buy a craft year's Aurum. If we look into the plugs, these are modular plugs, and that is fairly rare with these brands. Most of these European brands do not really deliver modular plugs. And if you look at the setup tips, this is decent. I'm not complaining. uh, the tips have come off. Let me open it up and rearrange them. I'm not going to use these tips mostly because I already have a very similar kind of tips with me. No issues. This double flange tips that we are looking at currently uh, are very similar to what I have seen with Sennheiser. So this one looks decent. No issues with that. And this black and white tips are very common with most of the brands. If you look at the earpiece, this one looks nice too. I like the blue color. It is not exactly same as what we see on their website, which is white. And if you look at the cable, this is a decent looking cable, copper cable, if I'm not wrong, and looks okay. The earpiece and everything looks aesthetically nice. No issues there. Aurum, yeah, engraved on the shell, Aurum. And if you look at the nozzles, three bore nozzle, looks nice. It is slightly, if we talk about the size of the earpieces, it is slightly on the bigger side. And let's install the plug here. This one is a decent looking cable too, copper. And there is a bit of difference when it comes to the plug. It seems it has a, let me show you guys, it has a shield around the socket. So this one goes in, and then we screw it in. So screw it in with the outer jacket. So yeah, it's not just a simple push and play kind of setup. So slight difference from what Chinese brands are offering. The ring, the outer jacket, is slightly on the wobblier side too. So that is not a problem, but yeah, slightly wobbly. And if you look at the color variation, uh, the jack is golden and the jacket is silver. So you guys can see, yeah, there is a bit of variation in color. It kind of looks odd, if not anything else. And if you look at the cable, this one is decent. There is a bit of aggression with the cable guides, so it's okay. I'm not complaining, but it's not exactly great either. uh, and if I try to replug it, it's decent. No issues. I do not see any issues. And if we look at the size, it is fairly small. No issues with the size. I do not see it will have any issues. But the body is slightly on the bigger side because there are seven drivers inside it. 1 DD, 4 BA, and 2 EST drivers. So there is decent amount of room inside the earpieces, and this is a very good package. I'll be comparing it with a few IEMs, Jomo 408H, and maybe Phoebe 52, depending upon its performance. I find the Phoebe 5 to be very good, and this Polish brand is known for their tuning capabilities too. So it will be a very interesting comparison between this and the P-Wave 5. Looks nice. I'm liking this color too. No problem with the color either. And it could have been slightly less glittery, but it's okay. I do not like glitter on the shell, but this one is decent. No issues. The back plate looks nice, and everything looks good. I'll be comparing it with a handful of IEMs that I have. So this is it. This is the unboxing of Craft Year's Aurum, their last year's flagship. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.